Hi everyone, my name is Cydney. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's my first video ever. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the Young Nails Pro Acrylic Kit in the Speed Core. I love Young Nails. I watch their videos all the time. They're so informative, so helpful. It's a really good way to study and to get your techniques together. They also tell you about running your business, being a nail tech, everything you need to know. So if you haven't checked them out or any of their products or anything like that, I recommend you to. I've never tried them before, but today I'm going to be showing y'all my first impression. All right, let's get into it. Ooh, okay. She's very cute. So here it is. This retails at about $104, which I know when you're going into the nail business like I am, it costs a lot of money. You know, things are expensive. You might not be charging your clients. So the money that you're spending on products, you're not really getting back. And that makes some of us really hesitant to spend money at the beginning, but I'm telling you, you have to invest in good products if you want your brand and your company to succeed. So I know $104 isn't a lot to some people, but to me, 21, you know, living on my own, I could do a lot with $100. But I really love this so far. I think it's really worth the money, and yeah. So what all comes inside of it is two 6-ounce bottles of nail liquid. You get 5 shades of acrylic powder in the shade Core Clear, Core White, Triple X White, Core Pink, and Core Natural. You also get an 8-ounce bottle of Young Nail Swipe. You use this whenever you're about to lay your acrylic. You use your swipe to get all that dust off, and then you apply your primer. You also get a 1-ounce bottle of Rose Cuticle Oil, which looks very gorgeous. You also get 1/3 ounce of their Ultimate Finish Gel Top Coat, which I am excited to try. You also get a bottle of their Protein Bond, which is their primer. I've heard it's fantastic. I hear wonderful things about it all the time. You also get a 1/2 ounce bottle of Brush On Glue. You also get a glass stepping dish to hold your monomer, to clean your brushes in, whatever you choose. You also get a whole bunch of nail files in different grids, 150, 100, 180. You also get a buffer. You get 2 packs of nail tips, 1 in natural and 1 in clear. You also get a hard manicure brush for dusting off your client's nails. You also get a plastic eyedropper to use with your cuticle oil. And you get 100 nail forms, the Young Nails brand nail forms. And you get a size 9 acrylic sculpting brush. Okay, so now that I've showed y'all everything that comes in the kit, I'm gonna go ahead and use my nail trainer hand that I got off Amazon and show y'all some swatches of all these colors. I'm gonna also show y'all how this brush acts. Okay, so before I apply the acrylic to the nail, I'm just going to take my 100 grit nail file and I'm going to use it to remove all of the shine from these plastic nail tips. And it's going to help the product stick to the nail tip better, just like you would do if you were doing an actual client's nails. So now I'm just going to go in with the Young Nail Swipe and remove all that dust from me filing the nail tips. Then I'm going to use a dehydrator to remove any excess oil or moisture and make the product stick to the nail better. And then I'm going to apply the Young Nails Protein Bond, which will allow the acrylic to adhere to the surface of the nail tip. So for this video, I'm just going to be doing the 2-ball method. I don't normally do this method whenever I'm doing anyone or my own self's nails, But I'm doing this just to show y'all how self-leveling the product is and how it really honestly just works for you. I'm not having to do a lot of, constant dipping my monomer. I'm really just tapping the sides of the acrylic, letting it flow down and level itself onto the surface of the nail. So far I really am enjoying this product. It's like so smooth and I love the finish. It works with you so well. Even if you're like a beginner and maybe your acrylic sets a little bit too fast before you can move it to in position and how you like. If that's your case, I really recommend this core powder because it really gave me a lot of time to work and shape and make sure that it goes on the nail exactly how I want it to. And she'll do anything for the limelight, and we'll do anything when the time's right. Baby, you're making it. Oh, that don't kill me. Can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now, 'cause I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be right now, 'cause I can't get much wrong. Man, I've been waiting all night now. That's how long I've been on ya. So this is the nail post application, no filing. It looks so smooth. Like, I have no words. It looks so good. So now I'm just gonna do a little bit of filing just to the side walls and to the tip of the nail just to give it a little bit of a shape. I'm just going for like a little baby coffin just for the looks. Baby, you're making it. That don't kill me. Can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now, 'cause I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be right now, 'cause I can't get much wronger. Man, I've been waiting all night now. That's how long I've been on ya. I need you right now. 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 You know how long I've been on ya. Since Prince was on Apollonia. Since OJ had isotone. Now it's time for everybody's favorite part, the top coat. Now I love this Young Nails top coat. At the beginning it was a little bit too thick, more thick than what I'm used to. So I had to kind of figure out how much to tap off on the side of my brush before I put it on the nail, because you never want to have like too much top coat because it's going to make your nails thick. I'm just going to cure for 2 to 3 minutes in my Sensation Nail UV lamp. And this is the finished product. Look at that shine and that smooth application. I really didn't do any filing to the top of the nail itself, just the sides. I'm so impressed, and I really recommend this product to you if you haven't tried it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Leave some comments down below for some suggestions for my next videos. Thank y'all.